Hi everyone, today I'm making one of my favourite things from scratch, and that is marshmallow fluff. There is something so satisfying about making your own ingredients. You see these things in the shops and of course you can buy them, but they often are cheaper to make at home, and you certainly can make them without all the added ingredients. If you buy this from the shops, it's probably got half a dozen ingredients in it, whereas this is literally just sugar, water, golden syrup, and egg whites. If you've not had marshmallow fluff before, imagine a softer, fluffier version of marshmallows. It's lovely just to eat, but it is really good for putting in cakes or a dollop on top of a hot chocolate. And if you've got some extra eggs you want to use up, I definitely suggest this. I really just like doing it as an alternative frosting and putting it on top of cakes. Really, the only tricky part to this is making sure that you add your sugar, your caramel, in at a really, really slow pace. Once that's finished cooking, you just want to add it in a tiny stream as your egg whites are still beating. And the egg whites start off at a stiff consistency. You add the caramel in, and then you continue beating it for about 10 minutes or until the bowl feels cool to touch. And you can see it's quite sticky and fluffy, but is really, really light. So I'm just making a really simple chocolate cupcake recipe to pop some of this on, but you could use it, as I said, in a few different ways. There's Rice Krispie treats, and I have seen, I think, a recipe somewhere for a cheesecake using marshmallow fluff, so I might try and give that one a go at some point. I really recommend using a little bit of coffee and adding that to your chocolate cake recipes. You don't necessarily taste it, especially when it's just a small amount like I've used, but it adds an extra element to it to the cake, a bit more depth, and definitely brings out the chocolate flavour a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Teresa if you're new here, and I deal with the cooking on this side of the channel. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great week. Bye.